Understanding Playing House, a fun guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, playing house. It's a common expression in English, often used in everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your own conversations. Playing house refers to a game often played by children where they mimic household activities. They might pretend to be adults, doing things like cooking, cleaning, or taking care of babies. It's a form of pretend play where kids use their imagination to enact adult roles. In adult usage, playing house can take on a more metaphorical meaning. It's often used to describe a situation where adults are engaging in activities that are typical of a married or cohabitating couple, but without the official commitment. This might include living together, sharing responsibilities, or making joint decisions. Let's look at some examples. 1. Young couples. Jake and Emma have been playing house for a few months now. They're not married, but they live together and share everything. 2. In relationships. It seems like they're playing house, testing out what life would be like if they were married. Playing house can also reflect cultural attitudes towards relationships and living arrangements. It's important to understand the context in which it's used, as it can vary from playful and lighthearted to more serious discussions about commitment and future plans. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning and usage of playing house. It's a phrase that beautifully captures the innocence of childhood and the complexities of adult relationships. Keep practicing your English, and soon, you'll be using idioms like a native speaker. Stay tuned for more interesting phrases in our upcoming videos.